Artofspeedd.
What up, good people? He shot the Lectron for sending your boy this jump starting packet or this jump box. So this is emergency jump starter / power bank. So yeah, so basically it support automotive, ATV, motorcycles, watercrafts, lawnmowers. Okay. Come in this nice little fancy case, Lectron. I like that, and the case feels more like, like suede type deal. I like it. I like it a lot. Unzip that thing. Boom. You got a little Lectron Care extended warranty, so they also do more of some of your EV charging stations and your basically EV adapters. So yeah, this is how you get started. You get started with this stuff right here. So inside it's including one power bank / jump box, battery clamps, car charger, charging cable, and your manual. So yeah. This is the charging cables right here. The charging cord, your USB charging thing, and then you have the Lectron right here in a nice little case type deal. So yeah, this is pretty dope. Oh, okay, all right. So it acts as a flashlight. Let's see. All right, cool. This is at. Oh, okay. It tells you what percentage is on. It's at 79%. Okay. All right. You press and hold, and you got flashlights right there. Huge shout out to Lectron for allowing your boy to review this product. If you need any information about them, I'll leave a link in the description below. All right. So we got the jump box out here, but to jump this car, so you gotta put red on red and black on black. So gotta move that real quick. I would say one thing I would say is it should have came with a little bit of longer length or something like that. You know what I'm saying? But other than that, it's all good. What we do? Get inside of the car, and voila, it jumps the battery. So this would be something handy around the house where if your battery dies, something like that, you got your jump box, or you see someone out and about and they say, hey, can you give me a jump? Yeah, you got your jump box on hand, and you don't really gotta pop the hood and everything like that. Only thing you gotta do is pull that thing out, jump somebody's car, and yo, you good to go. And like I said, it comes with a nice feature of a flashlight, SOS light. So just in case you out and about and somebody need to jump at nighttime or something like that, But yeah. But if you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. If you're not part of the Artofspeedd family, go ahead and subscribe button. Yo, welcome to the family. I look forward to seeing you next video.